I don't need fizzy water to do
They're
big
not
burps.
real ones. I can't do it. Mum, they're not real ones. Those guys can do actual burps from out. Who can? You guys. Huh?
Picking your nails.
Ready, Katie?
No, I don't.
See, I didn't need fizzy water.
I need fizzy water, please.
None for 59 or 4 points.
I need fizzy water. Stat.
Can't get it out.
Jazzy, cheers. Oh, Jazzy, when we sing it, one big gulp. Okay. Oh. Can I please have some more fizzy water? I took like a gulp from here to there.
Tried contacting him several times.
Oh, come on, I had it back. I did it. Yay. Finally.
Oh, I can't.
I think I can do it.
He's been displaying some odd behavior. Last week he spoke to